Hello, everybody. How's your day so far? I think personally that somebody should ask somebody at least once a day, how's your day doing? How are you doing today? If they say, I'm having a pretty good day. Well, that's good to know. And if somebody says, I ain't having too good of a day, and you can always say, and have that open ear and say, hey, is there anything I can do to help? And a lot of times people just want somebody to listen. So, by the way, hello, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and it is day 14 with Say It's Your Birthday, it's my birthday too. So, let's see what day 14 brings me. It is soft. Mushy soft. Like, I don't know. All right, let's see. Oh my lord, Sabrina and her tape. Oh, she really got this one taped up good. I wonder if she got one of those $5 things. I mean, that one lady had a $5 Michael box, and it was just a display of Scotch tape and like little Scotch guns. The whole thing. There had to be 300 rolls of Scotch tape. Crazy. All right. It's St. Patrick's Day socks. I can wear them on St. Patty's Day. And they're names. Lucky I numbed it. I love it. I'm actually going to get a scissors this time. Yeah, I realized I should have got a scissors the last time I did my truck socks, which are in my laundry. Of course, I had to wear them right away. So, what is my... I actually dress up for St. Patrick's Day. I may not leave the house, but I put a St. Patrick's Day shirt on because I am Irish. Look at them socks. Oh my god, they're so damn cute. It's Lucky I Know It. Them are cute. Look at him. Aren't they adorable? He's so adorable. And then I got the little nomies. Cute. Thank you so much, Sabrina. I didn't think that was socks when I was feeling them. So that was day... What day am I on? I forgot. 14. Day 14. I had to look at my packages in my basket that's on the floor. I put all of them in this basket. And this is where I've been grabbing from. Right here. So I don't know what day I was on. I had to look at the package. So yep, I am on day 14. So thank you, Sabrina. I hope you guys are having a wonderful time. And I hope you've been enjoying me opening these little presents. I hope Sabrina has enjoyed what she's received. Also, as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.